All right, welcome to another episode of MelB.Bassin out here at Castaic Lake. Just the more I go, the more I learn. It's just me figuring things out. Sit back, relax, and enjoy another episode. We're gonna throw down that bank right there. We're gonna cast a crankbait, craw color. I've been seeing a few blow ups, so let's see what they think about this. Bloop, bloop. Well, I have done this whole cut and I caught some fish here last time. Huge lesson, don't just always come back to the same place. Fishes move. I'm getting mixed messages about should you fish fast, should you fish slow. The water temperature is like 53, so it's kind of, if it was under 50, then you'd really definitely know that you'd fish slow. But so I'm just gonna drag this bank a little. Hope that somebody tags me. Let me get right over here. Trap. Let's see if there's any fish. Just curious. It's freaking dusted that bank. Hey, let's go like that. Yeah, got one. Yeah, beautiful. Oh yeah, come on, baby. Doesn't seem to be fighting very hard. I must have feel like what I got. How is he? I got him. He's not fighting hard at all. Why not? You're coming now into this boat, I know that much. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Curious in there. Okay, good. Woo! Yeah! Right in the lip. Right in the lip. Hey man. Got you. Oh, you're nice and cold. Woo! Look at him. Yeah. Good 2-pounder. Get this. There we go. All right. See how much you weigh, buddy. Woo. Let's see if we break 2 pounds. Oh no, not even 1.66. There we go. Oh, biting down on me. He doesn't like it. Here, bite me. You want me some? There you go. There you go. Yeah, well, I could still see him. There's he's going. That was fun. Yay, got one. Okay, let's see if we could do this. I can see them underneath me. They're right down there right now. So here's what I'm gonna do. They are just cruising down there. They're freaking right underneath me. I should be able to get. Got one. I just freaking went over him. Yeah. Pretty decent one too. No. There you go. Okay. That's pretty cool. Just went over there and just yo-yoed him. Are you the same guy? You look like the same guy, but you don't have a hole in that side of your jaw. You got it right in the top of your mouth. Woohoo! Number 2. Back in the saddle again, Mr. Mel. Yeah, MelB.Bassin. See how much this guy weighs. How much do you think you weigh, buddy? I say pound 0.6, 1.6 again. Ow! Freaking bit my hand, bastard. 1.32. Going the wrong way. But we did get him. This is fun. There you go. I think I missed him. Huh? Yeah, got another one. Oh, it's a little guy. Hey, calm down. Will it break a pound? 0.90. The Jobu freaking all day. C3 baits, baby. Working for me. That's what they want. That's what I'm gonna give them. Another one. I'm just freaking raking them in over here. This one's a little bigger. I'd say that's another pounder. Just pound, maybe. Pound on the button. There you go. That was definitely a tag. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, you might have freaking swap. Oh, who's biggie? Pulling drag. I like it. Woo! Oh boy. Yes. Whoa. I got a good one. Hope I could just tire him out a little. He is not moving. Wow. I gotta let that drag out, or he's gonna bust me out. Woohoo! He's definitely on there. Oh my gosh. He does not want to move. Look at that. Jeez. Or am I just... What happened? Maybe I'm just freaking locked. I think he got me wrapped around something. Sucker. Bummer. Wow. That was freaking crazy. How is my leader doing? Yes! Woohoo! Got one. Stay on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on, baby. Okay, I got it. Alright, you ready to come up, buddy? Or are you gonna... Are you still fighting? Yeah! That's what I'm looking for. Woohoo! Look at him, look at this guy. Yeah. Uh-oh. Wait. Sorry, man. There we go. Ah. 2.5. There he goes. Got him. Woo! 2.5 pounder, baby. I like it. Shaky head. Tango.